Hey, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a friend of his. So I'm gonna compare the noise play vlog with the SJCAM Legend 6. So let me turn on the play vlog, also the Legend 6, and show you. So the play log is going to be recording at the 4K 30 FPS, and the SJ Legend 6 will be at the 1080 at 60 FPS. So these two are the best resolution for these two action cams. I'll be mounting both the action cameras on my bike's front crash guard, and I'll be recording it. So when it comes to the pricings, so if your budget is like around 10,000, bit more upward to 10,000, you can definitely go for the SJ6 Legend, as it has few more options, like it has the touch screen, it has slow motion, time lapse, and more other options. So here are the options: slow record, driving, photo lapse, still, video plus photo, burst. So this comes like around close to 10,000, and if your budget is bit lower than that, then you can definitely go for this noise play. So I was really surprised with the output of this particular action cam. So this is also really great in case if your budget is low and if you want to start YouTube. Definitely this is the camera for you.